Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about the three sessions of Parliament and the important bill that will be introduced in the coming session of Parliament. So let's start with the sessions of Parliament. What is a session of Parliament and what is its importance? A session of the Indian Parliament is the period during which a house meets almost every day uninterruptedly to manage the business. So there are three sessions of Parliament. First is the budget session, monsoon session, and winter session. Budget session was usually held from February to May every year, and it is considered to be highly crucial session of the Parliament because in this session the matters concerning taxation are discussed after the finance minister presents the budget. Next session is the monsoon session. This session is held from July to September every year, and in this session, matters of public interest are discussed. The next session is the winter session, which is the upcoming session, which is held in mid-November to mid-December. This year, the session will start from 29th November to 23rd December, and it is the shortest session of all. It takes up the matters that could not be considered upon earlier and makes up for the absence of legislative business during the second session of the Parliament. So, in this session, in this upcoming session, there will be in total 26, 26 bills that will be introduced. And out of these 26 bills, the major bills which will be introduced, I will be discussing today. So the first bill, the most talked about bill is the Farm Laws Repeal Bill 2021. As Prime Minister Modi announced on 19th November that the government would repeal the three contentious farm laws which have led to a lot of protest for over the year. So with the coming of this bill, they will repeal these three farm acts that were introduced. These farm acts are: first act is the Farm Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Act 2020. The second act is Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Act 2020. The third act that will be repealed is Essential Commodities Amendment Act 2020. So all these three acts will be repealed with the coming of this Farm Laws Repeal Bill 2021. The next bill that will be introduced is the Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Amendment Bill 2021. The main aim behind this bill is to decriminalize the possession of a limited quantity of drugs for personal use. Right now, any kind of consumption, selling, possession of these psychotropic substances, these drugs is a punishable offense. But with the coming of this bill, up to certain limited quantity and for personal use won't have any punishment. It will be decriminalized. Such kind of possession will be decriminalized. Next bill is the Delhi Special Police Establishment Amendment Bill 2021. With the coming of this bill, the directors of CBI, that is Central Bureau of Investigation, and Enforcement Directorate will be their tenure will be extended from 2 years to 5 years. So right now they have a 2-year tenure, but with the coming of this particular bill, their tenure can be extended for up to 3 years, and their tenure can be up to total of up to 5 years. Next bill is the Cryptocurrency and Regulation of Official Digital Currency Bill 2021. The aim behind this bill is to prohibit all private cryptocurrencies in India with certain exceptions, and it will also create a framework for creation of the official digital currency to be issued by RBI. So it will create a full framework that will be regulated, that will be issued by Reserve Bank of India. Next bill is the Banking Laws Amendment Bill 2021. This bill is introduced for privatization of public sector banks in line with Nirmala Sitharaman's budget announcement of a disinvestment drive to garner rupees 1.75 lakh crore. Next bill is the Trafficking of Persons Prevention, Protection and Rehabilitation Bill 2021. The aim of this bill is to prohibit and combat trafficking in persons, especially women and children, to provide for care, protection, rehabilitation to the victims and ensuring prosecution of offenders. Next bill is the Constitution, Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Order Amendment Bill 2021. This bill will add communities to the list of scheduled tribes in election-bound Uttar Pradesh. Next bill is the Energy Conservation Amendment Bill 2021. This bill aims to provide additional financial, technological, and capacity building support to meet Paris commitments and fully implement nationally determined contributions in a timely manner. The last bill for today is the Electricity Amendment Bill 2021. This bill seeks to enable power consumers to choose from multiple service providers, as in the case of telecom services in the ongoing session of Parliament. So people will be able to choose that from whom they should take services, like how we choose in telecom services, then in the same way we will be able to choose for our electricity also. So I hope this video was helpful to all of you. In case anyone has any issues in regard to legal matters or in understanding anything or for preparing for any competitive exam, they can reach out to me on my Instagram ID. The link for the same is provided in the description below. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.